is with Appointment Stack, they will be able to do bookings with reminders. So one of the big things about this is, if somebody wants to schedule, a state inspection, we're in Pennsylvania, you have to do a state inspection, they can schedule their state inspection. The system can send them auto reminders before their appointment. Missed appointments is a big pain point for auto repair, at least in our area. And so we can send them those reminders to the customer, letting them know via text or email that their appointment is coming up. That is completely customized whenever they build out that booking. And then we can also support workflows that will send them reminders saying, like, 3 months after they've had a conventional oil change, let's send them a reminder to schedule their next oil change.